lovelies, welcome again to my channel. I hope you guys are well and staying safe. So my aligners are here from SmileLife. If you have not seen my first SmileLife video, I recommend that you go and watch that now, because on that first video I actually did my impressions and also I talked about my initial consultation. So yeah, go and watch that because that will help you to understand the journey properly. But if you want to stay here, it's absolutely fine with me. This journey is for me to straighten my teeth and closing the gaps as much as possible. So just to let you guys know before I go straight into the video and show you my aligners, I have worn the aligners once. So today is my first day actually, but I've worn it once this afternoon. I've opened the box because I wanted to see what's inside it before showing you guys. If you want to start this journey with me, you can do so because I have a discount code on the impression kit and I will leave it on the screen and also the description box, and I will leave the link to SmileLife website. They are also on Instagram, so you can search them, SmileLife, and they will pop up. Really good people. I love their customer service. So I'm gonna go straight into the video. Let's do it. After sending back my impression kit, obviously from the impressions they were able to build my aligners, and here's the box. First of all, there is the aligner guide, which I really like, because when I opened the box I was like, okay, what's going on here? But when I picked up this aligners guide, it made life easier for me. So it tells you what's in the aligner box. Okay, so you've got the aligner carry box, you've got the file, you've got the smile stretcher, I've got the file, I've got the IPR tool, I've got the chewies, and they gave me a selfie light. My daughter took it. And then I've got the actual aligners. I'm supposed to wear the aligners for 22 hours, but when I'm eating I need to take them out. Every 30 days the dentist will send you an email so that you can send a picture of your progress to them. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the caution here. Regular dental checkups, cleaning are recommended for continued health of your teeth and gums. Okay, do not smoke while wearing your aligners. The smoke can stain your aligners. Do not chew gum while wearing your aligners. That's not rocket science, is it? I want like chewing gum and then chewing your aligners with them. That's so hilarious. Wash your hands with soap and water before handling your aligners. I'm gonna do that before I put on my aligners for you to see. It's perfectly normal to experience some discomfort during your treatment. Absolutely, I agree with that, because when I put on my aligners this afternoon I was like, oh my goodness, that feels weird. It felt a little bit uncomfortable, but after an hour or so I got used to it. Okay, so yeah, there will be some discomfort when you first wear the aligners. I agree with that. If you experience a sharp pain or significant discomfort, discontinue use of aligners and get in touch with SmileLife. So yeah, protect your aligners from the sun, hot vehicles, and excessive heat. So that probably means that you can't drink coffee wearing your aligners. Don't throw your aligners away. Keep all of your aligners after you've finished wearing them and store them in a cool, dry place. You will need these if you break or lose an aligner. Do not wear your aligners while eating or drinking anything other than cold water. Keep your aligners stored safely away from pets or children when you're not wearing them, okay? Because your children might eat them. I'm joking. Or your dog might eat them, okay? So keep your aligners away from your kids. I'm keeping my aligners away from my teenager because she was like, Mommy, can I try it? No, you cannot. Absolutely not. Clean your aligners before putting them in the aligner case every time. In the event that your aligners becomes damaged, refer to customer contact information. So you can contact the customer service if your aligners get damaged. Okay, so, and there are so many more information here. Okay, let's go. I'm ready and I'll show you the aligners. First of all, that they are numbered, so they come in a sachet like this. So this one is a lower aligner, number 8, but the ones I'm gonna wear today are the number 1s. I've got quite a few aligners here, I'm not even lying to you. Look at them. There's much more in the box. Look, Like, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my aligners. Because I've already tried my aligners today, they are now stored in the cases, okay? So I'm now gonna wear the lower one and then we'll move on to the upper one, okay? So here's the aligner from the case. So look at, the case has a mirror, so cool. So here's the aligner. Number one is for the lower teeth, okay? So cool, so clear, quite fragile, so be very, very careful when you're putting them on. Perfect. Look at that. It's then. I wish they would make that like in a diamond so that I'll look like a rapper. Love it. Okay, so here's my upper aligners and I'm gonna pop it in. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here we go. Can you see it? Okay, let's go. Oh, it feels so weird. So it's in. It does feel a little bit uncomfortable, just a tiny bit, and as you guys can see, I can't speak properly now, but as time goes on, then I forget that I'm wearing them, then I kind of like start talking properly. I can talk better now, but the first time I wore it, I was like, whoa, what are you talking about? My daughter was laughing so much. I worn them already for a few hours today. Only took them out when I had my tea. Obviously, this is my first one, and I will wear them every day for at least 22 hours for 14 days. And then I will change my aligners. I could do a monthly video to show you guys my teeth and show you improvements. I'm also doing like a photo record of my teeth. I took some photos today, opening my mouth as wide as I could. So yeah, I'm really happy. I am happy. If you would like this, yeah, and you don't know where to start from, why don't you use my discount code to grab your impression kit, start from there and see how you get on. I will leave the discount code on the screen as well as the description box, and I will also leave the link to their website and link to their Instagram. If you want to ask them any questions, they are on Instagram. Go there and send them a direct message, or you can just go straight on their website. You will find all your answers there, or send them an email and they will respond back to you. But yeah, if you want to start, I have a discount code. Go ahead and get that done. My daughter is going to be starting her journey as well with me, so which is really good. Okay, so that's it for today. I will do another video in 30 days to show you guys progress and see what you think. Okay, if you want to talk more about this, again, I'm on Instagram. Come and find me, let's have a chat. I welcome you guys to come and chat to me on Instagram. I really love it, especially now that we're on a lockdown. I'm like that old lady who wants to talk to people. Please come and find me. Okay, anyway, I will see you guys again very soon. I love you so much and you know it. Mwah. Bye.